These are good, but I wish they were bigger.
Measure 6 cups of Coca-Cola and bring it to a boil.
Now add 2 cups of Coca-Cola and sprinkle 2 boxes of gelatin on top. Now cut the Coke bottle so we can use it as a mold. You're going to cut it right here. Pour the boiling Coke into the gelatin bowl. Now stir it for 5 minutes. After it's mixed and cooled down, pour it into the mold. Now tape it up and put it in the fridge. Now make yellow Jell-O. Now use a knife to cut the upper half of your Jell-O to make room for the yellow portion.
All done! I made a giant Coca-Cola gummy.